Welcome to Explain the Charts. Today, November 15th, 2024, we're diving deep into the world of Microsoft stock. We'll be analyzing current news and events surrounding Microsoft, exploring how they might be impacting the stock price. Looking at the recent Google search results, we see that there's been a lot of talk about Microsoft's strong fiscal 1Q earnings, particularly the focus on Gen AI spend. However, there are concerns about the stock's performance in the market. Microsoft's stock reversed bullishly, gaining more than 3% for the month. This indicates that despite some market concerns, investors are still bullish on Microsoft's future prospects. Another positive sign is that Microsoft shook off early losses during Wednesday's morning session to rise 0.4%, suggesting strong underlying support for the stock. This could be attributed to the growing excitement surrounding Microsoft's cloud platform, which continues to see strong demand. Now, let's delve into the charts to get a better understanding of the technical picture. The daily chart shows a clear uptrend for Microsoft, with the stock consistently making higher highs and higher lows. This indicates that the bulls are in control and the market is optimistic about Microsoft's future growth. We can also see that the stock has been trading above its 50-day moving average, further reinforcing the bullish sentiment. The most recent candle closed above the 38.2% Fibonacci retracement level, which suggests a potential continuation of the uptrend. Moving to the hourly chart, we can see some short-term volatility, with the stock exhibiting a slight pullback from its recent highs. This is normal, and it doesn't necessarily invalidate the overall bullish trend, but it does suggest that the stock may be due for a consolidation phase. We can also see that the stock is currently trading above its 20-hour moving average. This suggests that there's still some short-term bullish momentum, though we may see a pullback to the 20-hour moving average before the next upward move. It's important to note that the stock is currently facing resistance around the $420 price level. This is where the price has encountered some resistance in the past, and it may serve as a temporary ceiling for the stock. Looking at the candlestick data, we can see that Microsoft has a history of bouncing off this level. Therefore, we can expect a potential pullback to this level in the near term. The $420 level is a key price level to watch. If the stock can break through this resistance, it could trigger a further upward move. However, if the stock fails to break through this resistance, we could see a pullback towards the $410 level. This $410 level has acted as support in the past, and it could provide a floor for the stock in the event of a pullback. Now, let's narrow down the focus to a specific range of candles on the hourly chart. Zooming in on the last 10 hours of trading, we can see a clearer picture of the recent price action. The stock has been consolidating around the $420 level for the past few hours. This is a normal phenomenon for stocks that are experiencing a pullback from their highs. We can see a potential double top forming, with the stock reaching its peak twice. If the stock breaks below the $420 level, it could signal a shift in momentum. However, if the stock can hold above the $420 level, it could trigger a breakout to new highs. Another important factor to consider is the volume. We can see that the volume has been declining on the hourly chart, which suggests that the stock is losing some momentum. This could be a sign that the pullback may continue. However, we need to look at the 15-minute chart to see if there's any confirmation of this decline in volume. Switching to the 15-minute chart, we can see that the volume has been fluctuating. This suggests that the stock is still experiencing some volatility, but it doesn't confirm a major decline in volume. The stock is currently trading above its 20-period moving average, indicating short-term bullish momentum. However, the stock is facing resistance around the $425 level. This level has acted as a ceiling for the stock in the past, and it could prevent a further upward move. In conclusion, while Microsoft is currently experiencing a pullback from its recent highs, it's important to remember that the overall trend is still bullish. The stock is trading above its major moving averages, and it has a history of bouncing off support levels. The $420 level is a key price level to watch. If the stock can break through this resistance, it could trigger a further upward move. However, if the stock fails to break through this resistance, we could see a pullback towards the $410 level. This $410 level has acted as support in the past, and it could provide a floor for the stock in the event of a pullback. In the short term, we can expect some volatility and a potential consolidation phase. It's crucial to monitor the volume, as a significant decline in volume could signal a further pullback. However, if the volume remains strong, we could see a breakout to new highs. Keep an eye on the $420 resistance level. A break above this level would be a bullish sign, while a break below the $420 level could signal a short-term bearish trend.